Hi, my name is Lupe,
Hi, my name is Jaden.
and today we're going to teach you guys how to propagate. So right here we have our green collar trees, and currently we are looking for a baby, not a baby root, but just like a leaf that is like kind of like baby-like. So for example, it has to look like this. It has to be small, but it has to be growing. And then as we look for it, we're trying to look for a stem, or a stem that is thin, and it will be easier to grow once we like put it into the soil. So we have found one right over here, and as you can tell, it has the little leaf growing. The growing tip is somewhat thin, so that makes it good. And then we're going to cut off the rest of the like leaves, the old leaves. So in like that, all the energy just goes directly to the baby tip, and then like that's going to grow. And all right, so remember, cut it slanted. All right, little more.
Wait, right here?
A little bit more down, like by over here. Yeah, right there would be perfect. All right, cool. And now what we're going to do, how I told you, is cut off these leaves. So in like that, all we have is this left, and then the little nub in there that will eventually grow into a root. Do that. All right, hold up. And here is where we wait, because, okay, now we have this, and we're going to leave one big leaf, and we're going to keep the small leaf so like that this could get photosynthesis, which will keep the plant growing. If we cut this off, then there's no way the rest is going to grow. All right? So just like this, we're fine. And then how we had said, you cut it slanted, so we're good. And it has everything we need. The small leaf, the big leaf, and now you're just going to insert it all the way to the bottom, all right? So that the soil could cover the little nubs right here that will eventually turn into the roots. So here you go, and here you go. Try to be gentle with it. All right. And make sure you cover it more, all right? So like that, and it has reached the bottom. So, and then afterwards, all you need to do is just water it, and it should grow. And that's it. 1 cup of purple tree collard has more protein and calcium than 1 cup of milk. And you need to make sure that you water them a lot in order for them to keep on growing.